So ये हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट रेडी, दाल मखनी एंड ब्रेड डिप्ड. ये deadly combo है guys. You should have it. Theplas are your bread. We made pav bhaji. We made in these 2 containers. That is our dessert. We have save. We have Diet Coke for breakfast. And these are the people who are enjoying the breakfast.
At night we use this.
So कैसे हो आप सब लोग? Welcome to another vlog of Singapore. And today you notice that we are not walking. Yeah, we are going to the Singapore Zoo right now and we have booked a grab for us. And उधर हम लोग ने काफ़ी सारी activities we pre-booked it. So we'll show you one by one and देखेंगे आज का दिन कैसे जाता है. It feels definitely good not to walk for once in a while. But yeah, so I'll give you updates from Singapore. So first we are going to the bird park. I'll show you that, and then I'll take you through the entire thing, including the night safaris. So stay tuned. So ये हम आ गए हैं Mandai Wild Resort. This is a nice waterfall here. आवाज़ नहीं आ रही होगी मेरी, so that's why I will show you this. ये हम आ गए हैं पेंगुइन्स लेक में. That's penguins are of different types. The ones that are shown in the movie are the king penguins or emperor penguins. I'm not sure, but these are very common swimming here. The water must be super chilled. ये जो penguin है, these are Gentoo penguins and these are very common. Antarctica, if you go, you will get it in thousands and lakhs. Their top speed is 36 km/h. They're 3 times faster than record holder Olympics 200. Excellent यार. तो चलो दिखाते हैं आपको ये penguin ऊपर से better view में. और ये दूसरे टाइप का penguin है, which is called the rockhopper penguin. इसकी eyebrows काफ़ी लंबी है. बोलते हैं. Let's see how he's up there. Oh, one we can see in the background. Oh. तो जैसे मैं आपको बोल रहा था, penguins are of different types. These are the emperor penguins. And जो एकदम off South Pole पे दिखते हैं, these are not very rare. These are very rare to be seen by humans. Only Antarctica, if you go 100 kilometer through harsh terrain to get there. See, penguins, when you go to Antarctica, you'll be seeing these color. That is the penguin shit. Penguin poop marks can be seen from space. Satellite images reveal ice patches darkened with the gone of huge colonies. So itni matra mein they have kind of pooped in Antarctica. Of course, there's no one to clean, but you can see from these marks from space. This is a close encounter with penguins. One more is it? See these marks you see, orange, these are penguin shit.
Penguin?
Shit. You see one more went from down. See. Hello, Mr. Penguin. वो देखो कैसे स्टैचू जैसे खड़े हैं लोग. They're not even moving. These are real ones.
वो ऊपर वाला उनका लीडर लगा. वो देखिए वो बड़ा पेंगुइन.
बट इससे बड़े भी होते हैं, which are called the emperor ones. ये देखो दूसरे टाइप का पेंगुइन. वो जो पीछे पेंगुइन्स है ना, most of them are sleeping. They have the ability to sleep while standing. And look at this penguin particularly. ये रहा information on king penguin. See, as I told you that emperor penguins are the biggest species of penguin. They are found where the temperature is -22, -40. They are found at Antarctic coast, frozen plains of Antarctica where temperatures can plunge up to -40. This is adult penguin. Chin strap, Gentoo, which are the most common ones. These are king ones. Royal, rockhopper, erect, yellow-eyed, little pigeon, African, Humboldt, and these penguins I've never seen. ये सारे penguins के टाइप कौन से वेदर में पाएंगे और किधर मिलेंगे. Guys, penguins are great swimmers, but you see that the emperor penguin deepest dive is 564 meters. Marina Bay Sands is 194 meters if it's built downside, if it builds backward. And deepest human dive is 214 meter. Scuba is a 332. Penguins can almost twice go deep. Penguins can hold their breaths for 32 minutes, emperor penguins, inside the water. That's fantastic, yeah. This looks like canyons. And it's the theme is Africa. Let's see. How is it? These are the type of birds that we'll be seeing right now. The good thing about Singapore and its kind of places to see is that they made it very nicely and they maintained it. काफी अच्छे से maintain करके रखा है. I would definitely recommend that Singapore sightseeing. You should do all these touristy places. It's very well kept. It's an experience to take. No matter what people tell, that do something offbeat. But I don't think so. Singapore has lived up to a nice expectation for me. Sashi, see upar. Yeah. Look at one there. These, I think, are ostrich. There's one, and the second one is sitting. This is what we saw. I guess इन लोग सो रहे हैं अभी. इधर से बेटर व्यू है ऑस्ट्रिच का. This is the Kookaburra Australian bird. You would have seen Australian cricket bats and cricket equipments. Guys, you can carry a water bottle and you will get water dispensers. It's cost effective and environment friendly also. So ये पूरा मैप है, बहुत अच्छे से बनाया है. We started from here, Penguin Cove. Then we went here. We could have gone either this way or here, where we went this way. Now we're gonna do the lorry lift. Then we are gonna Then we are gonna go to Sounds of the Forest and then cover entire thing, and then move to this and then exit.
आवाज़ आ रही होगी बोट्स के काफ़ी, एंड काफ़ी अच्छे से मेंटेन किया दिस बोट पार्क. You see, they have built nets over it, but they are very high, so the birds can actually, if they want to fly, they can fly. The place doesn't stink. The birds are fed properly. Hygiene level next level. Singapore has completely amazed me. काफ़ी अच्छे से सब they do. Even for tourists, I guess they made this entire walkway which is there. It's very nicely made. 100% recommended. वो देखो फ्लेमिंगोस. ये वही बोर्ड है ना जिसपे गर्ल्स पार्टी पूल पार्टी पे फ्लोट बाय करके बैठते हैं इस पे. Just joking guys. Look at them. थोड़ी बदबू आ रही है इनसे.
They sleep on one leg, Rona.
Oh yeah.
See these two?
They may be doing yoga. This is the view tower of the entire wildlife sanctuary. Sorry, wildlife reserve. Yeah. ये सारे birds के nest है. So after walking for some time, we have come to this bird show. It's inside the Mandai Wildlife Reserve Bird Park only. You can see how is it. I'll keep you updated with the show. Guys.
Now everyone meet Nelson, a white-bellied sea eagle. Now white-bellied sea eagles can be found in Southeast Asia and they're one of the largest birds of prey. You can spot right here in Singapore.
They have rough undersides on their talons, which help them to grip onto slippery and struggling prey like fish or even snakes. And in fact, they specialize in catching venomous sea snakes.
And indeed, I got a replica of a venomous sea snake. So I'm going to toss this into the water and he's going to snatch it from the surface. And here he comes! So, we got Nelson. Right now, so would you like to try that one more time?
Alright everyone, take a look at this. Wow! Rather agile and maneuverable in flight, allowing them to catch prey in mid-air. So we're going to do that one more time to get your cameras ready. Here he comes. Wow! They're also medium-sized raptors, but don't let their size fool you because they...
Now everyone, I would like you to meet Eclipse, our Malay fish owl. Another local species that you can spot right here in Singapore. And the rodents that these birds hunt for.
ये स्लशी ले ली हमने एक. इसमें जितना शुगर है ना, I don't know yeah, why did I take it, but it's quite refreshing. I have to start working out once I'm back. We are going to the winged sanctuary now, which is the only part that is left in this bird sanctuary. Sachi, how's your experience of the bird sanctuary?
It was nice in the beginning, but it's too much to walk. And in this heat, it's a
You're
lot
beating the heat.
with sugar, which is not needed.
It's okay. So, whenever the weather is against you, you have a slushy. Tip for the day.
Or soft serve.
Or a soft serve. Guys, so the good thing about Singapore Zoo and the wildlife reserve that they have prepared and kept for tourists is that how nicely they've kept the animals inside it in proper kind of cleanliness. Also, the tourists are very what do you say, more than the tourists, it's the locals who are very literate and they know how to behave with these animals. Probably, I guess we are at that part of the sanctuary where probably some birds who are not behaving properly or are not well have been kept in a cage. But apart from this, most of the birds were kept free. So it's very well maintained. Yeah, it probably shows that अगर आपको चीज़ें ढंग से करनी है तो आप कर सकते हो. India should definitely, even their app for tourists, like the maps, the attractions, the show timings, they have made it's very user friendly and very tourist friendly. Definitely download the Mandai Wildlife Reserve app. But India should definitely learn. See, I am very proud of my country. I'm not criticizing, but I'm just kind of saying with utmost honesty that what all India should kind of do. Firstly is the cleanliness. If you are not clean, no foreigner is going to respect you. चलो देखते हैं ये सब कैसे चल. ओवरऑल ग्लोबली सिंगापुर की स्टोरी भी है जिसके लिए मैं शायद से अलग से एक वीडियो बना होगा. सिंगापुर आई गेस 70 years और 60 years बैक वॉज फेसिंग अ लॉट ऑफ पॉवर्टी. बहुत ही गरीबी थी यहाँ पे. एंड उनका जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर था उसका जो विजन था दैट चेंज द कंट्री एंटायरली. ही हैज़ मेड कंट्री फ्रॉम नथिंग to, I guess Singapore has the strongest passport index ranking. So that means Singapore passport is the strongest passport in the world as on date. I guess you can travel to 185 countries without visa if you are holding a Singapore passport. So from that to this, it's a mind-blowing story. Definitely मैं आपको एक वीडियो में short मैं आपको बताऊंगा once I'm back from the trip. So yeah, cleanliness you just see, guys. There's not even a grain of dirt everywhere. Look at the scenery, how they made. It's excellent. So this was it from the bird paradise. Now I'll see you at the Singapore Zoo in 3, 2, 1. And there we are at the Singapore Zoo. Yes, entry कहाँ पे है आइए. वो दिख गई एंट्री. वहाँ से हमारी टिकट्स ऑलरेडी प्री बुकड है. वी हैड बुकड इट ऑन Klook. यू कैन प्री बुक इट एंड कम टू सेव योर टाइम. एंड काफ़ी बार ऐसी होती है दैट स्लॉट्स मे नॉट बी अवेलेबल, सो इट्स बेटर टू प्री बुक एंड कम. कितना क्यूट है. सिंगापुर इज 60 years old. ये रही हमारी एक एंट्री. ये पूरा मैप. अब जैसे कि देखोगे पूरी फॉरेस्ट वाली फीलिंग है और काफ़ी अच्छे से मार्किंग्स है इधर. वो देखो मंकी या लंगूर, ब्लैक मंकीज. एकदम नेचुरल बनाया सिंगापुर, मानना पड़ेगा यार. Just look at this, guys. ये देखो हाथी जो हमारे धीरज भाई साहब को देखने थे. I don't know why. जब इंडिया में इतने हाथी देखे हैं. वो देखो हाथी के सुन. Oh, he dropped something. He's going to eat it.
Nó 尾巴在哪里？我没看到。
它尾巴像一条腿一样撑在后面。 袋鼠的尾巴吗？看到了吗？
Looks like direwolf from Harry
这个
Potter.
很老啊，
Look at his nails.
它都跳不动了，很老了。
Look at his nails.
感觉，它感觉受伤了，太老了。哦，它的尾巴也太长了。
In the tail, guys.
这个你觉得它尾巴长吗？
See.
Yeah, the babies are.
Yeah. Yeah, mother would also be around. Look at this fellow. Look at its ears. It's like Lalu Yadav. Hippos are very dirty, by the way. Look at his tail. He was shaving her up. Right side. Yeah. Wait. See this. भाई उसमें कितने सारे ये है देखो ना. It's so dirty, man. Sorry. ये देखो guys, Fifi.
Usually stationary.
Look at its eyes. It's open. Whoa. Killer, guys.
Come and buy.
भाई छोटा मटका इसको ले लेगा इजीली. Look at this now. It's time to see the tiger, guys. You captured it? अरे damn good.
Who captured?
देखा. Photography skills, bro. Oh, it's huge, yeah.
खाना. Take. सीधे ले वो.
Yeah. Tadoba gang, miss you all, yeah. Very easy spotting for us.
There are fishes नीचे. I think it's going.
看它抓鱼，看它抓鱼。
पूछी ना वो जो है ना. अबे धीरज ऊपर क्या कर रहा है? हाँ तू.
घोंसले में आ गया देख।
हाँ धीरज तू ऊपर क्या कर रहा है? These are wild dogs. Oftenly they do their hunting in a group.
Very vocal animals. Please excuse me. Hi, Mo. Yes. What's going on?
Yang was upset with you.
Huh? He's upset with me. But why?
I think you forgot to say something very important about him.
Something very important about him. Oh, Okay, I'm sorry, Tiago, my bad. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, just now I said Nog was very handsome, right? Actually, the most handsome of them all is Tiago! And it's a ball target. He's gonna pull it up high. And what Tiago is gonna do, Tiago is gonna dive in, lift up and touch the ball target. Can he do it? There we go! Power and grace in motion. And of course, stay true to the show. We are not for Splash Safari for nothing. You're still very drunk what to do, okay? People over here! Alright, we've got work to do. We've got lots of work to do, huh? Next up, we're gonna put Tiago to a test. We're gonna challenge his sense of self-control. So you know, sea lions love their fish. What Nog is gonna do, he's gonna place Tiago's favorite fish right in front of him. He's like down first, okay, Tiago lie down. And then Nog's gonna take out his favorite fish and place it right in front of him. Tiago is not gonna take it unless he hears a single clap from only Nog. I love how today's crowd is just naughty by nature, because I'm also like this. So of course, we're gonna distract Tiago and tell him to pick. So we're gonna clap together. One single clap, everybody, at the count of 3, alright? 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Tiago didn't take the fish. But guys, you're so obedient and so easy to train. Fish for them, no? No, just kidding. Okay, no, we cannot do it. Over to you. Look at that. What an excellent display of self-control. And the reason.
वो देखो गाइस, जंगल का शेर आज जू में बैठा है. Feel very sad, but I don't know. Look at it, guys. He's sleeping with his wife, maybe. He looks food deprived. यहाँ से थोड़ा better view. You can see. They look so sad. He's bored or maybe sad, I don't know. ये देखो guys, there are 3 giraffes that are standing. 4 now. Just look at them now. इसके bang opposite, the lions, they are the neighbors of giraffe. Irony of life, guys. Lion is right there, but still he can't hunt the giraffe. Maybe so. Now. This is a black and white zebra. Of course, zebras are black and white. ये थोड़ा आगे से view. Oh, what a perfect photo. Sashi is coming properly? Yeah. Zebra दिखाई दे?
हमारा face cut है.
अच्छा, now? You look at his face. And now, this is the cheetah. These animals. मेरे दोस्त को ignore करना. So guys, this was it from the Singapore Zoo. We had to rush a lot, so that's why probably if we didn't show you enough footages, we've tried to capture all the animals that we've seen. But अगर कुछ नहीं दिखा या कुछ बहुत कम समय के लिए दिखा, तो we are very sorry. We tried to cover everything. So Dheeraj, how was your experience?
It was an amazing experience. I had a personal guide who was also my school friend.
Yeah, of course.
Covering
Always.
up all with the show.
Yeah, and so हमने एक शो भी कवर किया इसमें इन अ शॉर्ट स्पैन ऑफ टाइम, जो आपने देखा ही होगा. But now we are going to the river wonders where we'll see the pandas and the aquatic animals, and then we have the night safari. It's quite busy day. I've already walked 16,000 steps today, but it was damn fun. I would want to spend more time in the zoo. I wanted to observe the animals, how they are, they behave, they live. But of course, some other time when we have a lot of time. And yeah, looking forward for the next round. And but one just feedback on the zoo, like even though if I paid for the zoo, and I don't support zoos to be honest, the way animals, probably they've tried in Singapore zoo to keep the animals safe, कि उनको थोड़ा included रखने के लिए try किया, but still they were looking very sad, which was a very sad sight for me. So ठीक है, अभी इसे काफ़ी debate कर सकते हैं, but let's see. Now we proceed to River Wonders, and our next shot will be in 3, 2, 1. So guys, we are at River Wonders doing the Amazon River Quest. I'll try to show as many things as possible, but let's see. I want to enjoy this experience more than showing you guys.
Jaguars hunt for wide variety of animals in the air.
Oh, guys, look at this jaguar.
Two, Donna, two.
There's another one. There's another drop.
Sunshine.
नहीं आया.
Flamingos.
These are flamingos. The flamingos currently act as moving out microscopic food in the water. It is this food that gives the flamingos its dead plumage.
Yeah. Guys, ये सो रहे हैं. काफी एनिमल्स आज मैं देखे जो खड़े खड़े सोते हैं. One of them was the penguins, crocodiles. They don't stand, but they sit. They sleep in like water. Just look at them. सब एक टांग पे. ये हमारी राइड हो गई खत्म.
Have you got again, sir?
No. Yeah, maybe, but let's see. So guys, we are done with the River Wonders. Unfortunately, we couldn't see the pandas because we kind of were late. So we had an option either to do that rainforest kind of thing, Amazon river thing, or the pandas. We went for the Amazon this thing because pandas and all we can see in other countries. I wanted to, have a decent new experience. So we went for that. So unfortunately, we couldn't show you that. And also the aquarium and all River Wonders. Otherwise, was very okay. You can skip it. कुछ खास लगा नहीं मुझे. अभी हम Starbucks आ गए हैं and we ordered a coffee and we ordered a bagel along with cream cheese. तो इसको फटाफट से खाएंगे और थोड़ा रिलैक्स करेंगे. जैसे आप देख सकते हो 20,450 steps already completed. And this is our bagel. This is our cream cheese. These are my friends. This is my fiance. This is Dheeraj, and this is me. We are at Starbucks. Life is good. वो हो रहा है sunset Look at this guy. Yeah, night safari. Stop number 4 for the day. ये हो गई है हमारी नाइट सफारी चालू.
They retain the pigments in their eyes. African lions are much larger when compared to the Asiatic lions. The role of the male is to protect the territory so the females can hunt in peace. After the hunt, the males will have his fill first, followed by females, and lastly,
भाई ये मकड़ी देखो. ये जो स्पाइडर्स हैं ये स्कॉर्पियन, सॉरी, देख लो. ये देखो. रात को इधर नाइट सफारी में क्या एक्सपीरियंस है. यू आर वॉकिंग राइट इन द मिडल ऑफ अ कंट्रोल जंगल. मस्ट ट्राई. You can see all type of animals here in the Mandaya Reserve. We are somewhere starting this Tasmanian Devil Trail. Guys, ये देखो completely घने जंगल में, आजू बाजू कोई नहीं, पूरा अंधेरा. किधर से भी जानवर आ सकते हैं यहाँ से. मजाक कर रहे guys. This is totally controlled. ये ट्रेल में we are gonna see the rhino, we're gonna see the white tiger, we're gonna see a sloth bear, we're gonna see a buffalo, and also hippopotamus. It's gonna be very good, guys. Let's try. We'll show it to you. See the white tiger out there sleeping at this time. Surprisingly, tigers are awake. That's because the tiger is huge.
क्या पिक्चर निकला है.
Look at this rhino, guys.
Hello. The rhino is out. Can you all see the rhino?
Yeah. Are you vegetarian?
Hello. So the rhino that you guys are looking at right now is an Indian rhino. His name is Nawari. He's the youngest of 4 that we have. So currently he's 9 years old. The lifespan for Indian rhino is usually about 35 to 45. He's 9. He has a brother who is 12. And then he has 2 very, very old female ladies who are 36 and 46.
Ooh.
Currently this boy is about 2.1 tons. So it's 2,100 kg. Still a bit small. They can get up to about 2.5 tons.
Oh.
And he is about 100 kg a day.
100 kg.
If you guys have any other questions you guys want to know, you guys want to ask, can feel free to ask.
Right looking into my eye.
Look into me.
These are flying fox. Another one. Oh, देखो. Lightning बहुत खराब है guys. I'm very sorry. I cannot do anything. Look at this leopard. ये देखो हमारे सेठ महंगी महंगी टैक्सी में
मालिक पैसा हो तो क्या कुछ नहीं हो सकता। मालिक अच्छा खर्चा हो ही गया है तो एक प्रीमियम कैब कर ही लेते हैं।
या
नहीं डेफिनेटली
2000 रुपये की टैक्सी है। 2200 टू बी प्रिसाइज। तो गाइस हम आ गए वापस हमारे होटल पे आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग अ वेरी हेक्टिक डे एट द मंडाई wildlife resort. We almost walked for 27,000 steps today. That is about 18 kilometers. And काफ़ी थक गए थे बट फिर भी हमने डिसाइड किया कि रात को कैसीनो जाते हैं. This is our last night of the trip. Tomorrow, technically the last night. Tomorrow we still have a night at the airport, but in the city it's gonna be a last night this year. So हमने सोचा कि क्यों ना थोड़ा दम दिखा के और एक बार कैसीनो जाए. जो $75 का लॉस हुआ था. Let's see if we can recover or we'll further go down. I'll let you know after the video. But I hope you liked today's video. We try to show you as many things as possible, but some things are not in our control. So please bear with me. But I hope you liked another day's vlog. Now I'll meet you see the after casino to tell you the profit and loss statement. So guys, yesterday मैंने probably आपको बोला नहीं, but end में I had told कि I would be going to the casino. आपको end में profit and loss statement बोलूँगा. So yesterday we lost, and I lost double this time, $150, and overall my casino loss would be around 235 Singapore dollars, which would amount to roughly 13,000-14,000. It feels bad, of course, when you lose money, but I had budgeted this because I wanted to experience. But I feel एक बार अगर आप में कंट्रोल है तो आना चाहिए, experience it, go with a limited budget in mind, and yeah. So आज के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं, and आपको मिलता हूँ अगली व्लॉग में जो अभी से ही चालू है.